Hi, my name is Jacqueline Smith, and I'm with the WIOA program. I'm a career advisor located in Craven County, North Carolina. I work inside NCWorks. And today I'm with one of my participants, Ms. Chondra Cannon, and she's going to share what the program means to her. And just to give you a little brief bio of the program, we're able to assist with your 2-year associate degree programs. We also assist with workforce development certificate programs, something like CNA, CDL, HVAC, plumbing, phlebotomy, BLET. That's just to name a few. That is not all inclusive. And when I was referencing or talking about the 2-year associate degree programs, I've had people to complete IT, information technology. I've had the ADN program. I've had completion in a variety of programs. So why don't you check out the WIOA program and see how it can assist you? But like I said, I have a participant here, so I'm not going to monopolize the conversation. I'm going to let Ms. Cannon speak, and she's going to share with you what WIOA means to her.
A lot.
A lot. Oh, wonderful, wonderful.
It meant a lot. It came to me in a time where I was having a little bit of financial issues.
Yes.
And I did wanted to get a skill.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
After I just earned the skill. But the skill was phlebotomy.
Yes.
And I paid for it and did everything. I invested in myself. So there wasn't hiring at the moment. And
yes.
Like I said to you earlier, it was Greenville, Jacksonville, and I couldn't travel that far with
yes.
my son in middle school. So I came in just to update my resume because I have done patient care tech before.
Yes,
I never was certified in CNA. So I was updating my resume. I don't know if you remember, but I was like, can you help me?
How I popped in the picture, how we met.
With fresh eyes to see
yes.
if my resume look okay. So you said yes. So when you got the chance, you looked, and you was like, have you ever thought about nursing? I was like, actually, yes.
With all the skills, yes.
I was like, yes. I want to go into nursing,
yes.
registered nursing. And I know you got to go through steps to get there. And one of the steps is being certified.
Yes, it is.
With other things. So I was like, okay, Black Book. Yes, I will love to hear more about your program.
So
you told me that, they'll help pay for everything. And that was like, because I said I got to save up to take this class. And a few weeks later when I heard you, when I was looking at the Craven
yes,
thing and all the options, what you need to become nursing through them. And I was like, I'm gonna just have to save up.
And I was like, why are you gonna save up when the program is right here and we can help you?
Yeah, so that's when she was telling me about they'll help me pay for it. They'll help my with my supplies. And they did the program did exactly that. And then also through Miss Smith and others around her, like Miss Dwayne.
Yes, Mr. Clark. Mr. Clark.
And they give you motivational words. They're kind. They're uplifting. It's like, and anyone that's trying to get a skill, even if you're trying to add a skill to your job, what will you be get more pay more training because it is short term.
Yes, because some people and long term, and some people want to do the skills upgrading so that they can increase their pay and up with mobility at their current job.
Right.
So you don't have to actually change jobs if you do not want to.
Right.
You can do the skills upgrading, or you can go after that career field that you have always dreamed about going to.
So either way you want it, it's always updated life.
Yes.
Skills, whatever. It's just like they got a pamphlet of everything that they are willing to help you with. And yes, the program really helped me out. And there's a few things that I'm gonna utilize the program again. And that's the good thing. Whenever you dare, you want to update some more, you can do that. Am I right?
Yes, yes. We're working on that ADN because I said we weren't stopping until we got to the full at the end. So ADN is on the way.
Yes, it's other things like I said that I need to do, but it's possible. All you have to do is put yourself to it. Just go for it, and everybody has a fresh start. Everybody have a fresh start. It's called tomorrow. Dreams do come true. You have to go for it. Believe in yourself, and it's possible. It is possible. Little steps count too. Little step count too. It's not when you start, it's when you finish. And the best investment is within yourself. It's yourself. So I encourage anybody to come and go through the program and see what else Mr. Clark, Miss Smith, NCWorks, what other opportunities they have for you, because they're great opportunities. They're great opportunities. I'm proud I did it. And I'm gonna continue to do it until my goals are complete. And Miss Jackie gonna make sure, I promise you, this is my twin. So, like I said, just invest in yourself. All the little 1, 2, 3 steps really do count. And I believe in you guys. I really do.
Well, that's well said. Thank you so very, very much for assisting me with this. And there's nothing else that need to be said other than 2836 News Boulevard. Of course, I could not help but to do that. And the telephone number, area code 252-514-4828. And if you are not registered, go on ncworks.gov and register, sign up, and you will be able to see everything that the NCWorks has available and can offer. Thank you.
Got the skills, got the drive, yeah, you're ready to fly. Don't let the moment pass you by. From Craven to Palico, through Jones we move, helping you find your rhythm and groove. NCWorks, connecting talent to careers. Let's get connected. Connecting talent to careers. Let's get connected. Connecting talent to careers. Let's get connected.